Do you want to know how you can achieve a very neat braid like this even before trimming and avoid this? Then this is the only video you need to watch. Hello braidies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can properly hide your client hair even if the color of the braid extension you're using is different from the color of their hair. Some braiders think that not working on hiding their client hair will actually save them time. But in the actual sense, this will only cost you more time. I said so because firstly, you'll have a lot of work to do when it comes to trimming. Secondly, your work will not look neat at all. And thirdly, you stand the chance of losing that client. We have whole lots of disadvantages, which is not what I'm here to list for you. So in order to avoid all this, try this method of braiding instead. When you get the size of the braid extension you want to use for your braid, you divide it into two. One portion should be greater than the other. You make a crisscross. The smaller part should be joined together, while the bigger part should be separated. So take the portion of hair you want to braid, divide into three, and you continue braiding. So at this point, what you do is you take the natural hair to the back and use the braid extension to cover it. Just watch closely, you see what I did there. The video is quite detailed. If you're finding it hard to grip the hair properly, then try this method. Just divide the hair into three, any method you think that is better for you. This will really help you grip the hair properly, especially if you're a beginner. Then you repeat the process again, just like we did in the previous braiding. At this point, if you really think this video is helpful to you, please do give it a thumbs up. You can also drop your feedback in the comment section down below. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please don't make it your last. Do wait to check out our other videos on protective styles and ventilations. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your constant love and support. As you can see, this looks really neat even without trimming. Even without being told, you will agree with me that this braiding hair will last longer than this.